222. Number of the day. If you need this, your best days will start from this point onward. You will heal, true love will find you, and money will bless you and your family. Are you ready for this gift? Type 222 if you agree. Source is saying to you today, you are about to manifest a miracle. Your dedication to get a little better every day has created an unstoppable momentum that will carry you into an abundant future. You will to do the right thing even if it is the hard thing, is unlocking doors that were invisible. Your trust in Source to guide you is lighting a perfect path ahead. Find a balance between setting goals and being open to outcomes that are even better that you could have wished. Type vibe to claim it, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111.